Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 BMW F900R. This midweight sport bike just arrived with only 2,877 miles. Super cool styling. It's got the blue with the red seat cowl, adjustable levers, frame sliders, low mileage, fender eliminator. Come on by and make your sport bike dreams come true with this really cool BMW F900R. Not going to be here long, only $69.99. This thing's flying out of here. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. ABS brakes. Thank you for Contra Costa.